Hello, I'm Jason, the Useless Cook, and today I'm going to show you how to make air-fried chicken. Now the first thing I'm going to do is take the chicken, of course, out of the package, and we're going to soak it in some buttermilk for a few hours. Now, overnight's the best, but minimum 4. Now I'm using cultured buttermilk, which is the best buttermilk out there. It is sweeter, thicker, it's kind of like a yogurt, but there are 3 types of buttermilk. There's the byproduct buttermilk, and there's buttermilk that has lactic acid added to it. Now what we're going to do here is just coat it in flour, the chicken. I'm using a bag method, but I do prefer the pan, because it's less messy and less wasteful, in my opinion. But I want to show you how to do the bag method. I'm just shaking around, trying to get all the chicken coated evenly as possible. See there? Now, of course, you want to season the flour a bit. I'm using salt, pepper, and a few spices. Not a lot though, because you don't want the spices to burn, so you don't want to use too many of them in the flour. Here you see it, and the bag is getting messy. A lot of the flour is sticking to it. See it coming out nicely. Now, of course, while you're doing this, you want your air fryer to be preheating to 750. No, I mean not 750, but wait, 375. I mixed the numbers around there, but 375 on the air fryer. As you see, a lot of the buttermilk is leaking out and getting my cutting board all messy, but it's fine. Just make sure they're all coated, the flour as evenly as possible, and of course you want to let this chicken sit after it's been floured for a few minutes, because you want that flour to dry a bit, because you're making a glue here, a nice tasty glue. Once it's set for a while and everything's all dry, we're going to start brushing it in oil. It shouldn't take more than a tablespoon. You don't want to brush it with too much oil, just enough to make it slightly coated. See, it's coming on. Now I'm doing the legs first. Of course I'm using an air fryer, like I said. You just want to keep brushing. This is probably the longest step. Then once you get all the legs brushed, you want to put it in your air fryer for 7 minutes on one side. Flip it over. And then another 7 minutes in the air fryer. And of course you want to use a thermometer to make sure they're done all the way through. Because nobody wants undercooked chicken now, do they? Now we're going to do the thighs. And I'm going to brush them in the oil. Of course you want to wait to brush them in oil until you're ready to cook them, because you don't want the oil to soak through the flour and make it all soggy. And of course, another 7 minutes in the air fryer, and flip them over, and 7 minutes again. Look at that color, it's nice, ain't it? Now I do hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you enjoyed the food. Thank you for watching, have a nice day. Also, don't forget to leave a comment and a like. And consider donating to me if you want. Have a nice day, thank you.